Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. How to disconnect or delete Wi-Fi connection from this TV. So for this, go to settings, tap on all settings. First of all, I am going to show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network. Tap on connection, tap on network status. So here you can see the option disconnect. Now tap on the option disconnect. Now you can see a pop-up box. Do you want to disconnect that Wi-Fi name? Now confirm this with a yes. Now you can see successfully disconnected from the Wi-Fi network. Now let me show you how to delete the Wi-Fi connection. Tap on the option open network settings. Select wireless. If you go down, so here you can see the option manage saved network. Tap on this one. So from here you need to select the Wi-Fi network name, that the saved network name. Select this one, then tap on the option delete. Now you can see that saved network is successfully deleted from the TV. Okay, and after this one you can easily reconnect this one also. You can see that name here. Just tap on this one, and here you need to enter the name, enter the password simply. Okay, so simply in this way we can disconnect or delete the Wi-Fi network from the TV. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.